we are actually very fair. We treat all Kenyans equally. And we have summoned governors, senators, any Kenyan who contravenes what is provided for in the Act. And therefore, yes, we have summoned Rigathi Gachagua on other matters, because as you might remember, some weeks back, we also censured him publicly because of some utterances that he made. And therefore, yes, we have summoned him, and once he comes, then we will go through it.
When is he coming?
I don't have the actual date on me just now, but we have summoned him. And therefore, once we do that, as I said, then other agencies like DCI or DPP will work with them. So really, we are very, as I say, we are very fair with people in government, people in opposition have been summoned by us, and we will continue to do that. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, one more.
My name is Cynthia.